Hello friends, last few days we are discussing about eloquent relations. Here you can see in my playlist we already uploaded the eloquent relation concept, one-to-one relation, one-to-many, many-to-many. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about some special case. Suppose when we created any model or migrations, suppose we have a model like you can see inside the models we have a subject model, and based on that subject model we have table like subjects. So if you check subjects, and if you see the student model, and based on student model we have students. Okay, means whatever the model name, the table name will be the plural form of the model name. Let's say we have some table like my table, but we don't have any model. But in our existing project, suppose we have this type of table and we have some data inside this table and we need to use that things. So how we can use that things means from that case how we'll get. So let's create a model and try to access this data from that model. Okay, so here let's go into the terminal and create a model. Suppose php artisan make model, and suppose my table name is my table and we don't have any relations between the table and model. In that case I am going to create a model. My model name is suppose my model. Okay, so let's enter this, and by this model we will going to access this table. So how we can do this? So just go into the Visual Studio Code and we just created the my model. And now if you want to get data from this my table, inside the model we have a configuration and we need to create a controller. From that controller we will access this model, and from that model we will get the data. So let's create a controller also. Suppose let's create php artisan make controller. Suppose my controller name is test controller. So just enter this. It will create a test controller. Just go here and inside here we will get the test controller. Okay, so from the test controller we will going to access my model. So let's use these things here, use and the namespace of the model, that is the app models, and then use the model name, that is the my model. Okay, and now let's create a function, public function list. Okay, and let's try to get access using the my model, and I want to get all the things. So just write here data and simply return data. So this is the normal things we will use in this way. Okay, and just go to the web.php and let's call this. So here just use the test controller, so that from the route we can get access of the test controller. Use test controller, just use the namespace of the test controller. Okay, and let's write a route get and get list. Okay, this is the URL, and here write test controller class and the method. Okay, so here you can see the list method name. Now when you're going to access these things, here just go, it should get the data from the model, means my model. Okay, because we are using that. But when we going to browser and we're going to access this thing, it's showing base tabular view not found. Actually it's going to access Laravel 11, there is a database name, and my models, means here my model name is my model. It is going to access my models. Okay, because every time when you're going to create a model, the table name should be the plural form of that model. So in that case, how to connect with the my table? So let's copy this my table and here simply just define protected $table and use my table. Now from inside this model it will access this my table data. Means when you're going to call this my model, actually it will get the data from the my table. Okay, so actually my table defined in this way. This is the keyword. And now just go here and let's going to access this. It should get the data. Okay, so easy things. It's the interesting tricks. Hope you will like that. Please like and subscribe this channel to see this kind of video. Hope it helps to you, and please subscribe and share this channel to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.